At least 15 people have been killed in Dominica by Hurricane Maria, with 20 more still missing, according to the country's prime minister. The Caribbean island was battered by the recent storm, however until now exact figures on the number killed were not being released by official sources. Trump plans to make himself a bigger Air Force One. Prime Minister Roosevelt's Garrett wept as he told a reporter the news on the nearby island of Antigua. He also commented that it was a miracle the number of dead wasn't higher, saying the country is going to need all the help the world can offer to rebuild following the devastating storm. Hundreds of homes were destroyed when the storm hit the small island on Tuesday, with thousands of people being left without electricity. Moore dog remains by his dead friend's side for hours after he is killed by a car. Several hurricanes have wreaked havoc in the Caribbean and in the southeast of the U.S. recently. After hitting Dominica, Hurricane Maria tore a path through Puerto Rico, the strongest storm in 80 years to hit the country. Winds of up to 155 miles per hour battered the island for at least 12 hours, destroying everything in its path according to some sources. Hurricane Maria destroyed everything in its path after hitting Puerto Rico in the dead of night.